Hi, I would be discussing with you how pandas can be used for finding the correlation between two or more columns. Install pandas if it is not already installed using pip command. You would like to watch my previous two videos on pandas to get more info about the module. A CSV data file is imported using pandas data frame. Use _string command to print all the rows of the data. The print output shows 4 columns with labels as date, stock A, stock B and index points. Now let's find the relationship between these columns. Use numeric only with correlation command to only select columns with numeric values. The column with date values will not be selected. Print the output. You can see that values are ranging from 1 and -1. Positive 1 shows perfect direct relationship while -1 means perfect negative relationship. Stock B has almost perfect negative relationship to stock A, while index points has direct relationship with stock A. It means when the stock index rises, the value of stock A also increases, and vice versa. Stock A decreases when stock B increases, as it has negative relationship. You can use slice function for stock A and stock B to find its correlation value. The relationship is negative. Similarly, the relationship between stock A and index points is positive. For plotting data, I shall import Python built-in module matplotlib.pyplot as plt. The data CSV file is same as used in the previous section. Plot command is used with different options. The kind command is used to define type of plot. In this case, I have used scattered plot type. For x-axis, I have selected stock A, while for y-axis, picked stock B. Use plt.show command to open a new window to show the scatter plot. Stock B is on y-axis while stock A is on x-axis. Scattered plot shows a negative relationship. The value of stock B decreases when value of stock A increase. Quite helpful in visualizing our data to get inferences. Now replace stock B with index points. The plot shows a positive relationship between stock A and index points. If one increases, then other increases, and vice versa. Replace stock A with stock B, and plot. The plot shows a negative relationship between index points and value of stock B. Let's change the plot type. I have changed the type from scattered plot to line plot. On the y-axis, I have selected stock A. Line plot shows stock A values on the y-axis while days on the x-axis. You can draw 2 or more column values on y-axis using the list method. Here I have used stock A and stock B for plotting on y-axis. Plots show both stock values plotted against the number of days. Just change the kind of plot from line to bar. The plot shows bars of two colors representing stock A and stock B. The histogram kind of plot is used to find the frequency of values of a selected column. Please note that we can use only one column for finding the histogram values. I have used stock A using slice function to data frame. The plot shows how many times a certain value of stock is repeated. You should practice selecting different kind of plots and different data to get more understanding of the concepts.